Just going to go through the whole process with you guys again and then just read the rules for you so that we're all on the same page, okay? The session is level 2. There will be 3 rounds in level 2 and each level being complete when every candidate has had a chance to spell. The learner will get 1 minute to spell as many words as they can. Each correct word counts for 10 points and each incorrectly spelled word will subtract 5 points from the learner's total points. After each round, the judges, timekeeper and scorekeeper will deliberate each learner's points. In the event of a tie, the learners will be given a set of intense words according to their grade level to break the tie. They will also have 1 minute in which they'll spell as many words as possible. And the tie will be addressed after round 3. The top 3 learners with the highest scores will proceed to film the special episode at 7 And in some of the rules, learners' eyes must be focused into the screen at all times. So you can't look up, you can't look down, you can't look sideways or the other side. A learner is not allowed to ask for a word to be skipped, so you have to complete the word. A learner is encouraged to ask the judge to contextualize the word in a sentence or ask for the meaning of the word. Please note that in this time, the clock will still be ticking. The moment the learner stops hearing the sound, they are asked to raise their hand in the Zoom chat to indicate this issue. Drum roll. First on the list, we have Westring High School. So you will be starting the competition for us. Okay, cool. Timekeeper, are you ready?
Timekeeper is here.
Timekeeper's here, perfect. And over to you. Let's go.
Start. Ich breek.
J, G, B, R, E, K.
Aggressief.
A, G, E, R, E, S, I, V, E.
Assosiasie.
Can you repeat that, please?
Assosiasie.
A, S, S, O, S, I, A, S, I, E, E.
U.
E, I.
Bewegings.
B, E,
Time.
Time. Okay, cool. Thank you. And then second on the list is John Beseker Secondary School. Timekeeper, ready when you are.
Give me a minute.
Right.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, timekeeper ready.
Start. Aankweek.
Sorry.
Aankweek.
A-R-K-4-4-K.
Beserings.
B-E-S-T-E-R-I-N-G-S.
Aanbiedinge.
A-N-B-E-D-I-N-G-E.
Bloemes.
Spel weer alsjeblieft.
Bloemes.
B-L-O-M-I-S.
Chaotisch.
G-A-A-O-T-I-S.
Burgemeester.
B-I-R-G-E-M-I-S.
Thank you, John Beseker. Secondary school. Next on our list is Willow Academy. Timekeeper, ready when you are.
Start. Almoes.
please repeat.
Almoes.
A-L-M-O-E-S.
Amusant.
A-M-M-E-S-A-N-T.
Allerhande.
A-L-L-E-R-H-A-N-D-E.
Eclipse.
E-K-L B-E-D-A.
Bedankings.
B-E-D-A-A. Sorry, B-E-D-A-N-K-I-N-G-S.
Beklemtoning.
B-E-K-L-E-M-T-O-N-E.
Frommel.
F-R-O-M-M-E-L.
Chemische.
Time. Thank you, Willow Academy. That's time. And next on our list, number 4 is Alma Mater International College. Timekeeper, we're ready when you are. Start.
Arbeid.
O-O-R-B-I-E.
Beplanning.
B-E-P-L-O-N-N-E. B-E-P-L-O-N-N-I-N-G.
Broekie kouse.
B-R-O-E-K-I-E-K-O-I-S-E.
Biefstuk.
B-E-E-F-S-T-I-K.
Dwelmmiddel.
D-W-E-L-M-M-I-D-D-E-L.
Elektronische.
E-L-E-K-T-R-O-N-I-E-S-E.
Blairbox.
Severe.
Blairbox.
B-L-K-P-E-R-B-O-K-S.
Doodvonnis.
D-O-O-D-F-O-N-N-I-S.
Dwelmverslawing.
D-W-E-L-M-S.
Time. Thank you, Alma Mater International College. And now number 5 is Lenasia Muslim School. And we're ready after the timekeeper. Start.
Angstig.
Please repeat.
Angstig.
A-N-T-S-T-I-G.
Antwoordblad.
A-N-T-W-O-O-R-D-B-L-A-D.
Aanhalingstekens.
A-A-N-H-A-L-I-N-G-S-T-E-G-E-N-S.
Blijkbaar.
B-L-A-K-B-A-R-R.
Echtscheiding.
E-K-G-G-S-T-A-G-I-N-G.
Disqualificeer.
D-I-S-K-O-L-I-P-I-S-T-E-R.
Time. Thank you, Lenasia Muslim School. And the last person is Prescodia High. Timekeeper, ready when you are.
India, D-O-E-K.
Deurbringer.
D-E-U-R-B-R-I-N-G-E.
Atmosferische.
A-T-M-O-S-F-E-R-I-E-S-E.
Breigoed.
Please repeat.
Breigoed.
Breigoed.
Goed.
Breigoed. B-R-U-I-G-O-E-D.
Fundament.
F-O-N-D-A-M.
Time. Time. Thank you very much. Wow, that went quickly. That is the end of round 1 from the pool. Ready for round 2. Let's go. The end of round 2. Woo! For the final round. Dun, 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 dun. Look what I have. Woo! Okay, are you guys ready? In 3rd place is Western High School. You're coming to Scotland! Congratulations! Okay. In 2nd place, Lenasia spelling competition is? I'm not gonna tell y'all. I'm just joking. Okay, and the winner of the spelling competition is Alma Mater International College. Yeah! Congratulations, guys. Thank you so much to each and every one of you guys for your time, for entering, for the commitment, for the little chats that we had, and just all your enthusiasm and everything. Thank you so much, guys. Listen, I cannot wait to meet every one of you. I'm excited with you on your behalf. Woo! And you guys did so well. Hand clap.